So he's the one. He's habituated to consider other people's houses as his own.
Mother, actually, he had come here since because
Ma'am, I'll tell you. I've come here for some important official work. I called up Zoya. She didn't answer my call. Even Mahi's phone was off, and hence I had to come with this pen drive. I'm done. I'll take your leave.
How did the photo fall down here?
Well, your house is very nice.
Actually, I'm sorry.
Hold on. It would be better if you do not touch my son's photo. You are Zoya's business partner and Mahi's colleague. So do the important work that you have come here for. Do it quickly and leave. Because I do not intend to talk to you rudely. Zoya, you know, right, that he broke all the photo frames that were here before? Now this is your and Yash's last photo. What if this would have broken today as well?
Mr. Huda, I'm talking to you. Excuse me. I'm talking to you. You insulted a son in front of his own mother. I know that you're against Yash, but you are so blinded about seeking revenge that you are seeking revenge for Yash against his own mother?
When I have you to seek revenge, why do I need your mother-in-law?
Why did you come here so late at night?
Because I had gone crazy. My day was going nicely and I thought, how can I make it bad? So I thought of you and I came here. I went to the office and learned that Kalpesh is coming here. I called you so many times, check it. I called up Mahi, but her phone was off. That is why I had to come. And forget about me. What did you tell Kalpesh? I'm in the bathroom having a bath. Why didn't you say that he's not at home and he won't be coming? He sat down, so I had to come out. I can't begin to tell you how I entered your house like a thief. By the way, Kalpesh calls you Mrs. Huda. If I hadn't come on time and sent him away, what would you do if he addressed you as Mrs. Huda in front of your mother-in-law? I don't want any explanations. Your dictionary doesn't contain the word thank you. You just have complaints. You're stupid, that's a given. Didn't you think that if Kalpesh had seen that romantic photo of your cheater husband and you, what would he have done?
Listen, I'm just saying, there was no need to put the photo under your foot. You could have hidden it somewhere else.
That man used my wife's birth date as his locks code. He has betrayed you. Are you still defending him?
Look, I am not defending him. I'm just trying to tell you that you have no right to insult a son in his mother's presence, Aditya.
I've got an idea. You do one thing, hang up that photo at Virani's office. You do whatever you want. Let the company get bankrupt and let people be homeless. I am bidding a goodbye to you and your company.
I never understand. Why does he come here repeatedly?
Mom, Adi had some important official work. Actually, my phone was switched off, so Adi had to come here.
Adi.
Aditya, Mom. Aditya.
Is mother really upset with me?
Zoya, what's so new about that? Mom is always in a bad mood nowadays, right? Forget about Mom. You tell me, what were Kalpesh and Adi doing in our house?
Kalpesh was here to give me the pen drive and Aditya found out. And this is the reason he came here. And I berated him so much since I was very angry, Mahi. And now he's telling me that he will not be a part of this whole drama.
No. Adi must be angry. He won't tell the Viranis, will he?
No, Mahi. Aditya was right this time and I was wrong. Whatever he did it for the sake of the company, and our firm would have incurred heavy losses due to me, Mahi.
We could have, Zoya, but it didn't happen. Just see, Adi will agree to all this.
But what if he doesn't agree, Mahi?
Then I'm there. I'll convince him. You are so tense, it looks like he's your real husband who is...
My God, Mahi. What are you saying? He is neither my husband and nor will he be. At least think twice before speaking.
I really can't believe that you can cheat Adi like this. I could have never imagined. I'm shocked. Actually, you know what? I shouldn't be shocked. Because first your daughter deceived us, and now it's your turn. A daughter will learn from her mother itself. You are a traitor. You can cheat the very people of the house in which you stay. Aren't you both ashamed of all this?
Enough! Don't utter a word more.
Mom, why are you talking like this to Aunt Sakshi? She's also a part of this family. It doesn't matter if Pooja is alive or not.
What's the matter with you? You have become Mrs. Huda staying with Mr. Huda.
Yes. I am always wrong. I commit more mistakes than anyone else in this house. Sakshi can never commit a mistake. I am foolish that I am screaming like this in front of everyone.
Stop this melodrama and tell us what's the matter.
This is the issue. And even I want to know what's the matter is. I mean, what was the need to sell off Pooja's wedding bangles? Why did you need $500,000? Tell me. What are you hiding from all of us?
I don't know what's going on in this house nowadays.
Mother, your flatbread has gone cold. Please take another one.
Everything is so tasteless. I'm going to get some pickles. Does anyone want anything? No? I'll go and get it.
Mother, I know that you're very upset with the two of us.
So you must also know the reason for it.
Mother, actually,
What happened, Zoya? Are you hiding something from me? Look, Zoya, I have explained to you many times. This house and the family have suffered a lot. Do not do anything that might tarnish the image of this family. I have started trusting you with great difficulty. Keep the dignity of this trust intact.
What's the matter, Zoya? Mom scolded you, but even then you're smiling?
it feels so good when Mother talks to me with so much of love and affection. And when she puts her faith in me.
Nice. But what if Mom realizes about your fake marriage, Zoya?
Mahi, please speak softly. If Mother hears you, then she'll be very heartbroken and I can't break her heart now, Mahi.
I haven't sold them. I've mortgaged them.
I want to know what was the need to pawn them covertly. It's good that I saw you while going. Or else, just like Pooja, you two
It's shameful. It is shameful. We should be ashamed. She's lived with us since so many years and still, I haven't been able to assure her that she can come without hesitation with her problems and share with us. You can see that it's Pooja's jewelry. But you can't see how lonely she is in such a big house and amongst so many people. Perhaps this is why she doesn't share her problems, since she knows what reaction she'll get from us. Mother-in-law, I'm your son, right? You could have asked me once. What happened? You please sit. Arjun, get some water. Please sit here. Sit. Stop crying. The doctor has forbidden you from stressing out, right? Please don't get stressed out. It's okay. We'll talk later about this. You drink some water. Please. Stop crying, please. Here you are. You keep my credit card. If you need money, then...
Adi, I admit that I'm very bad. But the truth is that I'm still your mother. And it's my duty to stop you from doing anything wrong. It's my duty to warn you before you take any wrong step. I'm telling you that you are about to make a mistake once again. Don't trust someone so much that you can't even question that person. You have trusted someone before too, right? But what was the result, Adi?
Are you asking me this question? Mr. Huda kept toying you with your trust. Did you ever question him? But you are staying with him without asking any questions. And when it concerns Pooja's jewelry, she's Pooja's mother. She can do whatever she wants to do with it. Sell with it, pawn it, or make new ornaments from it. She doesn't need anyone's permission for that. Come on, mother-in-law. There's a lot of traffic in the hall today. Come, mother-in-law.
For how long will you carry out this drama, Sakshi? Sooner or later, you will have to answer.
Arjun!
I'm sorry, Chirag, I got late. Come on, we can start the program. now.
The program will start once Chokomati comes out of the room, right? She is excited to meet RJAJ since the morning. She is in the room since a long time.
Chirag, sorry. Bro, please manage it for one more day. I'll go and send her outside and you keep her busy for 10 minutes. I'll take care of the rest.
Okay.
You?
You? What are you doing here? Look, I have come in first today, so I'm RJJ's intern today. So go from here. Please, go on.
Why are you so aggressive all the time? You go. Chirag is calling you.
Okay, I will go and come back in a flash. And yes, don't try to be clever. Understand? Mr. Chirag,
Yes?
did you call me?
Yes, no. You did not sign the register.
There's a register, sir.
Yes.
But we swiped the card, right?
Yes. But interns have to register and swipe as well. So you have to make an entry daily. Okay? Go.
Okay, sir.
You are listening to Radio City 91.1 FM and I am your host and best friend RJ AJ. By the way, friends, it's very hot today and I think let's have something cold, something to get us a little more happier and little more love. So this is something light for you.
AJ sir, what's on your face?
It's a face pack.
Who applies a face pack at work?
Look, I'm an RJ, not an actor. Anyway, I'm so busy, so this is the only time I can apply it. It's Fuller's Earth. Will you try it?
No, thank you, sir.
So you are my new intern, right?
Yes, sir.
How do you like the job?
Sir, it's a very nice job. It is my dream job, sir.
So you may be getting along with the other intern, right?
Sir, don't mention his name. You know I stay away from such people. Even you should not trust him. He's a chameleon.
Please, enough. I don't like it when colleagues badmouth their co-workers.
I'm sorry, sir.
You have two choices. Go and be his friend and wrap this matter up. It will be good for the office environment. Or forget about being my intern.
No, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I mean AJ.
It's okay. You can go now. Thank you.
No way. I'll have to make friends with a donkey.
The things I have to go through for this girl.
Mahi, the presentation we made in the night has to be shown to Aditya or else he can't explain it to Mr. Kanti.
That Mr. Kanti, he's so weird. I can't tell you. Why does he only want to speak to Adi? Does women have no value? He doesn't respect women. How does he treat them? I feel like moving the chair from underneath him so that he falls. But what can I do? We are compelled. We have to treat idiots as our clients.
Let it go, Mahi. You know what my dad says? That we should only work hard in life and leave others' perceptions. Just let it be.
Zoya ma'am, I called Adi sir so many times. He's not answering my calls.
Zoya ma'am, we're calling Mr. Adi since morning, but he isn't answering anyone's call.
Ma'am, Adi sir is not even answering my call.
Mahi, what if Aditya really... I will try once again. He's not answering my call either. What should we do now? How can I make the presentation to Mr. Kanti? And where do I get Aditya from?
My dear, the thing is that there is no news about Adi. And the Viranis will be here anytime now. So what will we do?
Let me try.
Hello.
Hello, Adi? I knew you will surely answer my call. By the way, where are you? It's getting late. The Viranis are coming here.
So what should I do? Didn't Zoya tell you? I bid her farewell yesterday itself.
Zoya ma'am, Mr. Kalpesh is calling up continuously and they are coming in 20 minutes. So why don't we make the presentation then?
Sir, I have cleaned Mr. Arjun's room And Mr. Adi's too. I did not find any diary pages in both the rooms.
Did you check in the scrap?
Yes, sir, I checked it everywhere. Apart from your and Miss Sakshi's room, I checked everywhere, but I couldn't find anything.
Fine, you can leave. Anjana was saying that Miss Sakshi had gone to a jeweler in order to pawn the bangle. But she did not say why she needs the money so suddenly. One thing is clear. Miss Sakshi is also hiding some secret. Did she tear the pages of the diary? If yes, then it means that she is hiding Pooja's secret. That is why she had to arrange the money.
It is the diamond jubilee of your firm. 100 years is a very long time. And your firm just didn't think about only itself. They have made the country proud in these 100 years. And that's the reason why, through this campaign, we wish to attach the country's monuments with it. For example, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and the wonderful ruins of Hampi. We together wish to celebrate every 10 years of your firm with the monuments of our country's heritage.
Hey Dad, it's a superb idea. Did you like it?
100 years back, the women of our country, did they ever go out to work with their men? What legacy are you talking about? And where is your husband? Where is Aditya? Is he really interested in this deal or not?
Actually, he is not well, so.
He is your husband. And this girl is answering. Are these the morals that you have? Lord Krishna, save me from this generation.
Actually, sir,
First of all, call Aditya and then we will have a word. Otherwise, I'm not interested in this firm. Those who cannot understand my morals and principles can't understand my firm in any way. Can you make out how capable the firm is by looking at one presentation?
Listen, Dad.
All is said and all is done.
I agree that Yash is your enemy, but you are blinded by your vengeance. So will you seek vengeance from his own mother? Why did I say all that to Aditya? Now I will be responsible for everything.
If Aditya is not here, then I don't want any presentation by this woman.
Dad, hold on. I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
I thought I'll tell you in the evening, but I want to tell you now, Dad. I had talked to Aditya yesterday. He also told me that a PowerPoint presentation will not help. How will we know the company's capability? And Dad, he wanted to give you a demo. So I had a talk with Aditya and bonded with him over it. After that, while talking to him, he came to know that you are Sachin's biggest fan. So he told me, why not organize a cricket event in the company's honor?
What are you saying?
Sumer, tell me some more about it.
We will make a cricket league, Dad.
Yes.
It will be Viranis versus Josh events. So Aditya is busy preparing for it.
This is a very good idea. Do one thing. Get the first match organized today itself. Yeah, then let's see how powerful this idea is. And let's also see how powerful Aditya is. At 4 p.m.
Yes, Dad. Yes, at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock?
So then let's go quickly.
Are you sure that Aditya said something like this to you?
No.
Then why? Then why did you say that?
Dad's weakness is cricket, and I knew that after hearing about it, Dad will definitely give you a chance. Now you all have time till 4 o'clock. So organize this event, and contract is yours. Simple.
Let's go.
Yes. All the best, guys. Rock the event.
But I know nothing about cricket. How will we organize a match by 4 o'clock?
I'll call Adi. We really need Adi. We cannot manage without him.
Hello? Don't worry at all. I'll do as much as possible from my side. And yes, Josh Events will get the contract. For sure.
Zoya ma'am, Adi sir's not taking the call. What do we do now?
This time it was my own fault. And I have to pacify Aditya at any cost. You all start the preparations for the cricket match. I'll be back in a while.
Ma'am, you are going to?
No, I'll be back in a jiffy.
Oh dear, I will now have to convince that ape somehow.
Is this a dream? Or is she really calling me?
Is it that hard to take a call?
Hello?
Hello. Her Royal Highness Chokomati Devi here.
Oh, you.
So, well, actually, you wanted to have lunch with me the other day? You know, I was a bit busy. So, I figured that perhaps we can have coffee today. We can bridge the gap, we can become friends. It'll be good for work too.
Of course. Nice plan. So let's meet at the same cafe where we got caught, right? It was just me, you, and your upside down book.
He turned out to be a total pylon. He's trying to overwhelm me at the smallest sign from me. Yeah, sure. Let's fix the time in a while.
Okay.
Thank God. He agreed. What an ape.
Well, Chokomati and Coffee Nawaz are going on a date. Aditya? You are at home?
Yes. I'm going to stay here until I get my license. I need a break too.
But Aditya, you are not the kind who takes a break.
Arjun, I don't know why I was working so hard. It's not as if I'm building a career in that line, right? Listen, it's been so long I haven't seen a movie. Let's go for a movie. Do you know what's on?
Aditya, I have a meeting. Let's go some other time. Actually, I just came to check out your German perfume. Or should I use the Italian one?
Excuse me,
Yes, ma'am.
I need to meet Aditya Huda.
Okay, ma'am. Please wait.
Oh, heck. Once again, you are dressed in a new t-shirt with neat hair. Which meeting are you going for with imported perfume on? Dad's clients are over 50. I hope you're okay.
Aditya, it's an important meeting. I'll tell you later.
Yeah, go on. I bet the one who the meeting is with called.
Aditya,
Chokomati?
please.
What kind of a name is this?
Please.
What kind of a nickname is this?
Aditya, please give my phone.
Chokomati?
Aditya,
One moment, I must talk to her.
Aditya, no.
Let me speak. Quiet.
Aditya,
Wait,
Aditya, no,
it's
please.
ringing.
No.
She's going to pick up the call.
Aditya, please.
Hello, Chokomati.
Mr. Adi,
Yes?
Miss Zoya is here to meet you.
Hello? Hello?
Sorry, I called by mistake. I'll hang up. Aditya, Zoya is here.
Zoya, what brings you here?
Aditya, I have to talk to you very urgently.
Actually, I'm busy right now.
That's all right, I'll wait.
Okay. Tea for the lady.
Please wait, ma'am.
Thank you. Aditya, Aditya,
Hey, yes, Anjali. Yeah, I want to speak to Rahul. Yes, you said. She can wait, no big deal.
Sean, I'll be there I'll just call you later. Excuse me, where is your boss?
Ma'am, he said he wants to rest, so he can't be disturbed now.
Aditya, I've been waiting for you and here you are resting here? Listen, I know that you are doing this to me on purpose. I just want to...
What? What do you want?
Actually, at the office,
I said bye to you, didn't I? I'm not interested in your office anymore.
listen, I admit that last night I messed up a lot. But I don't know why.
Wow. You messed up more, is it? Which means I messed up less. But I did mess up. Nice way to say a sorry. I have to save you and get abused for it. I love this logic. You know what? I know the Virani's contract won't be approved without me. That's why you are here on bended knees to convince me. But I am not interested. I don't care about your problems. I don't care for your company or in your interest.
Aditya, please, I have said sorry to you, right? And what else do you want?
Please don't insult humanity by saying sorry in this manner. You can shove that apology into your purse. Snap it, shut it, and just leave from here. Say sorry the day you really mean it. Okay? Okay. Tata bye bye. Again.
Please, don't do this for God's sake. Listen, I was wrong. Then don't punish the others for it. I've organized a cricket match for Kanti Virani at 4 p.m. today. And if he finds me without my husband, and so it would be a disaster. Listen, please. I'm at fault and I admit that. And I deserve to be punished, so I'll do whatever you say. I will do anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Okay.
All that is happening here is all thanks to your Zoya ma'am. Adi is angry only because of Zoya. Do you know that?
You know, Mahi, I have to say Adi is bound to get angry with her. After all, she is his wife. And anyway, one tends to get angry with people we love. Because what outsiders say, it really doesn't matter. The heart is affected by the words of a loved one. Am I right, Mahi? Anyway, she's his wife. She'll convince her husband and get him back. They have a connect, I've seen it. They are drawn to each other and look at each other so passionately.
Oh God, what did I do? What is this mess I am in? What did I do? How can I do this? But I have to.
What broke here?
This,
Ma'am, allow me.
sorry. I'm sorry, Aunt. I didn't know.
You are back? I just don't understand why you keep coming here. You know, whenever you come here, something goes wrong. Ever since you came into my son's life, it has been ruined. Have you seen how hassled he is? Thanks to you, he is still not able to forget his past. Do you even know what you just broke is really expensive? I got this from Rome.
I'm sorry, Aunt.
Please. Keep your personal problems to yourself and don't involve my son. I beg in front of you. Don't make any more scenes.
Seriously, Mom? Is she making a scene? Why would she need to do that? We are great at producing scenes of our own. Marriage, trust, emotions, human beings, they don't matter here. All that matters here are these important vases from Rome, right? Why did you get this from Rome?
Don't talk like this to your mom, Aditya.
Please. This is between me and my son. It will be better if you don't interfere.
Let's go.
Yes, tell me. What's the plan? Are you coming or not? Let's just say I'm on my way, so the wait can end. Oh, that's great. Come to the clubhouse directly. We have a match here to kick off the celebrations. If you come on time, you can be a part of it. Whether it's a card game, cricket, or the game of life, the winner always has the trump card. And I'm the ace in the hole. I don't care if I play or not. Because I will win the game. What does that mean? Some things have a meaning and some things are useful. Well, you won't get my drift. Seriously, Rajveer, your philosophy only makes sense to you. Anyway, let's meet. Bye. One by one, all the secrets will be revealed.
I'm getting so stressed. I'm feeling hungry. I think our hard work will be in vain. If Adisa doesn't come, it's of no use doing anything.
Hey guys, look there. There they are.
Oh my god, Adisa is here! Thank God, sir, you've come. We've been waiting for you.
Zoya, my dear, I'm really glad that you brought Sir along.
Mr. Aditya, I'm glad to see, or else.
Hey, no room for doubt. Zoya convinced me so that I couldn't say her no.
Really? What did she do?
I can't begin to tell you, Mahi. I'm shy. Zoya, you only tell her.
What?
Yes. You have to say something nice to me in every 5 minutes in your sweet way. Your Highness. You have to call me that and bow to me. Do you accept?
But I will look like a fool doing that in public.
That's the idea.
Your Highness? So kind of you. While His Highness is around, so no one would dare to do anything wrong. And all of you should also admire His Highness.
my dear.
His one glance makes my face glow. He believes that I am doing absolutely fine.
How cute, Zoya. Are you cajoling Adi with some poetry?
Zoya? What's wrong with you? Why have you started saying all these couplets?
You know, when it comes to a couple, words of love are normal, Mahi. You will not get it.
Okay, you please chat. I'll be back.
By the way, Zoya, with a handsome husband like him around, you shouldn't be fighting. If he did not love you truly, he would not be over here. The world and its people would want to get in the way of true lovers and estrange them. But it is up to you, Adi and Zoya, to salvage your love.
Why are you standing here, huh? Who will arrange for refreshments for the match? Must I do everything, huh? Go get back to work.
By the way, what is it that you fought over anyway?
Actually, he wanted to take me out last night, and I wasn't in the mood, so that was it. He just got upset.
Where? Which place?
You know, I have a friend, Shweta. It was her 3rd anniversary, and she wanted to go to a 5-star hotel and get pampered and relaxed. But do you know where her husband took her?
Where to?
He took her to camping, to some forest in Rishikesh.
Zoya, what if you were in such a situation? You would have left at midnight and a half?
You bet. I can't stay amid mosquitoes. You. He wanted to take me out on a date last night. Outside the city. For camping. Under the stars. But I hate all this, and that's why he just got upset.
Where have you brought me for a romantic getaway?
We always go to 5-star hotel. Why not enjoy camping here once?
Now this is wrong, Zoya. Because when you are married, you have to give in to each other. And you will have to stay together forever. You will listen to him, and he will listen to you. It's important that you adjust to each other's taste in marriage. If there is only one person calling the shots, then the other person gets frustrated and gets bored of the marriage. A successful marriage isn't only about love. Knowing each other's likes and dislikes is very important. You must also know what the other person hates or is upset by. That is also so important. That is when extramarital affairs happen. When a partner does not understand the other, they seek that feeling of intimacy and belonging elsewhere.
You forgot again. We have to go for the poetry night.
No, I remember. I won't go.
Why?
Because the poetry nights are a crashing bore.
I come with you, Adi, for your football matches too. Forcefully.
Football matches are so exciting. How can you say that? You don't have 4 people sitting around reciting poetry.
Hey, where are you going? Go on and at least hug it out, the two of you. Let the emperor and his empress be friends again.
But we don't need to do that. We are okay, we have agreed.
It is not as if you can't be loving beyond a point per day. Oh God, she's your wife. So you can hug her once, can't you? Come on, come on. Come on and hug her at once. Oh my God. How can you be so shy? Hadi, you don't seem to be shy.
No, I am not.
Go on, just do it.